Quality has become table stakes, safety has become table stakes, but experience is now the differentiator. Experience is what separates you from your competition. Several years ago, we knew that rounding was an issue. We knew it was transactional. We knew we had to do it better. We were hearing from our caregivers that it wasn't working for them, and if it's not working for them, it's not working for the patients. So we went to Qualtrics 2.5 years ago with a vision. Healthcare has felt isolated from consumerism, and that is shifting. So with the Ubers and the DoorDashes, I want care now, I want care sooner. I want my providers to know me. I want to have a relationship. So with our previous vendor, it was a passive approach instead of an intentional design. So in order to alleviate some of that burden from our caregivers and to improve the patient experience by providing dynamic reports, real-time reports, closed-loop action, we knew we had to make a change, and we knew Qualtrics was our partner.
With our new rounding tool with Qualtrics, our patient care coordinators, nurse leaders, they go into a room and the patient qualifies for 4 different types of rounds. They're able to complete all of those rounds with those patients and get it all done in one stay, whereas before they would have to do a script at a time and maybe visit a patient more than once.
We've seen great improvements in the emergency department already, which is an interesting use case because emergency room interactions are typically very transactional. When we see rounding occur in the emergency department, have seen double-digit increases in overall experience, safety, a place I trust, best place to get healthcare, provides high-quality healthcare.
It's become a lot more efficient, completing more rounds in a day than we were before, able to talk to more patients, make it more conversational because they're only in there one time.
We collect so much information about a patient. We're really great at listening. What AI will enable us to do in the future is surface that at the moments that matter, to the person that matters or the right people. What excites me the most about our work is empowering our frontline caregivers to do the best they can every day for and by our patients.